Hi, this is Ryan from Finale Inventory, and today we're making a how-to video on average cost changes. Within this video, we will do an average cost change within the user interface, and in addition to that, we will also use a spreadsheet to upload an average cost change in bulk. So the very first thing we're going to do is navigate to the stock screen, and we will see that I have 3 products here, and I just wanted to enter the first product, the red polo shirt. Now, we can see that we have 10 items on hand here, and if I scroll down to our valuation section, I can see that the average cost is currently $9.25. We have 10 units in stock, therefore my valuation is $92.50. So let's go ahead and create an average cost change for a single product. Now if we go over here, we can go average cost changes, we can go create batch, and from here you can either call the average cost change whatever you like in terms of the journal ID, or we can use a system generated ID. Now once we're inside the average cost change screen, what you'll notice is that we have the ability to backdate the transaction. Now what you'll need to remember in terms of backdating is that if you're backdating this to a date prior that has average cost changes occurring after that backdate, that second transaction of the average cost will take precedent of the valuation moving forward. So you must keep that in mind when you are making average cost changes that are being backdated. Now from here you can also add general notes for the entire transaction, but let's just add our product here. So we can go ahead and add the red polo shirt. And if we had any other products that we need to have a valuation change for, we can add them in now. I'm just changing the one. So currently we have $9.25 as our average cost, and I want to change this to $9.50. Now, once I've done that, it's going to tell me what my resulting average cost is, and all I need to do is add a note if I would like. This is not mandatory, so I'm just going to put incorrect valuation. And at that point, you can post this transaction. Now, once you've posted, you will see a valuation change, and it will tell you what that change is. So let's go jump over to the product details screen for this red polo shirt. So now we still have the same 10 units in stock, and when we go to our valuation section here, we can see that the average cost is now $9.50. We have 10 units in stock, and therefore our value total is now $95 for that particular product. Now we can also make average cost changes in bulk via spreadsheet, and that's what we are going to do next. So I will navigate to my spreadsheet. I am going to copy this information, and then all I need to do is go back to Finale and go to the import menu and select average cost change. What you'll notice is that you have that same effective date that you can change. You have the same general notes that you can add. I'm just going to go to the next section here, which is asking me to paste my information. Now, once I paste here, if there's anything that I don't understand, i.e. I'm using a different column header here, I can assign this very simply to average cost as it needs to match exactly. So at this point, I'm understanding all of my information here in terms of the product ID, the average cost, and the note that I want to have. And coincidentally, I just want a note on one product here, and that's totally fine. So once I hit next and then hit commit, at that point, it would tell you if we've successfully created that average cost change and bring you directly to the average cost change screen. So what you'll see is that same information of what the average cost change is, what that valuation change is, and as well for that note. Hopefully this is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any other questions on how to do an average cost change within Finale, please email service@finaleinventory.com.